Hi guys, good morning. So it's around 4:23 a.m. here and I'm still awake because I'm feeling really hungry and I just ate lasagna like 10 minutes ago and here's Daryl. Yeah, I'm gonna include this in my vlog later because I'm going to vlog later in Eden. So see you later guys, and we have to get ready in a few hours. So see you later.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down.
Hi guys, so I'm already done with my makeup. So I just did a fresh Lakas Maka fresh makeup look. So this is Daryl. So what time is it? It's around 7:30. So we have to change our clothes already because I'm still in my pajamas. So yeah.
Hey guys!
So we just got here in Eden.
Subscribe to my YouTube!
But it's raining, so
You have to wait.
oops,
There's a peacock and yo.
look at this lungits. Lungits! Lungits! Bumbaya! Bumbaya! Okay! Party, party! So this is Big Booby Girl. So we're gonna dance.
Like
You stay there or you join?
That's fine.
Bumbaya! Boom boomba! Boom boomba! Let's eat her face! Chloe, come here! It's still raining! Chloe! Chloe! Sama oh! It's not raining anymore!
It's not already raining. Tsaka.
Indiana Jones!
Indiana Jones! Indiana Jones! Indiana Jones!
This guy!
Indiana Jones!
Go!
Indiana
Bye-bye!
Jones!
Okay, so we're gonna go to the jungle? Come on! Come on, vamonos!
Are we gonna go here?
No!
No, let's go, let's go. No, it's not. Barely. It's not even raining. So,
It's raining, man! Okay, so we're gonna ride the Indiana Jones. There.
they said I could come.
Oh my god, be careful. Careful, careful.
There's a bunch of trees. It's not raining.
Faster, car! Just go do it. So my cousins are gonna try. There they are. In 3, 2, 1.
they can put it on me. When they wanna get it one way.
Hi guys!
Sam,
Go down to the so high.
hi, look,
It's like very high and I will like
Sam, to push her. Oh my god.
yeah, that's exercise. That's exercise.
Oh my god, you're so heavy, Ange.
No, I'm not. I'm so light. That's exercise. Can you send the video to me?
Yes. So we're gonna go tour now.
We didn't go fishing. Later. We're gonna
Say hi.
Hi everyone!
Okay, so this is.
Okay, so after
Say hi, Chloe.
Okay, so
Hi.
actually, send it to me also.
Okay, so yung mga deer na may horns, those are males. Then yung wala naman po, those are females.
Isang deer.
Ayun po sa dulo.
Ano kung iro na? Ha?
Ilig po yung sabi.
Okay, alright.
Okay, next is our hydroponics greenhouses or a vegetable garden. Opo. Now, if we say hydroponics, water working siya. Hindi kami gumagamit ng soil, but instead,
Yeah.
picture ka man. Tatag sa iyang phone.
Asa? Pagkinsa. Here in the haunted house.
to me also.
Hunted house.
Oh, there is.
Or haunted person.
Picture mo man, be. Did you take a picture na?
Yo.
So guys, we're
Here. Yeah, we're here. Sige, ako na mag-picture.
Ay, ka na lang. Okay, dali. Anak. Kita sa kanan.
Okay. Saglit lang.
Ayan, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Ma'am, move backwards. Kid mo gamay, ma'am. Kamon tulog. Backwards, backwards, backwards. Ayan, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, another one. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay, tanaw kay Bagani, everyone. Tanawa si Bagani. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayan, okay. How about here? Sa hagdan. Para background ng balay. Ayan, okay, ready? Face here again. And 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, look up. Maski asa tanaw. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Again, face here. Spread your hands. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. O, sabay na ka nga. Open your mouth, everyone. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayan, ah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to Shotty's house.
oh, this is a haunted.
Dali, ato ta sa balay ni Shotty. Oh my God. Oh my God, your friends, Chloe. Your sisters. Your sisters. Your brothers. Ay, ginoo ka!